students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that investigate in the figure the angle measures 30 degree. Look at the same figure through a magnifying glass. Does the angle becomes larger? Does the size of the angle change? So basically here we are given the value of the angle. Let's say theta, which is 30 degree. It is given that the angle is 30 degree, but when we see this angle with the help of the magnifying glass, will the size of the angle become larger or does the size of the angle change? So look, if we see this figure using the magnifying glass, not just only angle, the whole figure will become enlarged, and that enlarged image again, the distance will remain the same. So we can say that the value of the angle does not change even after seeing it with the magnifying glass, because if just only one part become enlarged, then we can say that the angle is changed, but the whole figures become enlarged. So whatever the size may be, let's say this is the size, this is angle 30, but if we can enlarge this, then again angle will remain the same. So we can say that using magnifying glass, if we see the figure, it will not change anything. So we can say that the angle does not change by looking at the magnifying glass. It will remain same always. It will remain same. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use some basic concept of angles. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.